our channel. We're gonna be doing a fun Valentine's edition. So for the main dish, I wanna make a paella. It's gonna be loaded with vegetables, really delicious. I'm actually gonna do some seafood on the side. So if you do eat seafood, then we're gonna be making shrimp and mussels as well. For the desserts, I'm gonna be doing a chocolate chia seed pudding. So it's nice and sweet and delicious, and it is actually pretty healthy. And then as per Andre's request, we're gonna be doing like Reese's peanut butter cups that are plant-based, of course. All right, so the Reese's peanut butter cups aren't necessarily healthy, but they're delicious, so I think it's fine. All right, let's get started. Of the paella. It was a hit, wasn't it? Try this chia seed pudding now. It's really good. Nice flavorful dessert. Amazing. And you know what? I actually like to make, I've never made the chocolate chia seed pudding, but there are other recipes where you can start the chia seed, make it for the week, and then it's good in the fridge for 2 to 4 days. And you can actually, it's quick on the go. You put it in your cup, you take it on your way to work or whatever. Oh my God, these are so good. My suggestion would probably be not to make the peanut butter dough into circles, maybe like flatten them out so that they're more like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but holy, these are delicious. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I wish you all the best this Valentine's Day. And with these recipes, we had such a good time making them and eating everything. It was so yummy. I hope you guys can join us next Sunday for our next episode.